Canon Muji unboxing. I don't know. E-commerce home. Yes, unboxing. Well, basically, I don't know whether I will. Maybe. Well, actually, this time is basically not a portrait, so I mistakenly think it is a portrait, but it's actually another unboxing of a magazine that I tried to check out before I was finally bought my dream gadget, so it is pretty unnecessary. Besides, I'm also eventually found the same magazine, so I don't really need all this kind of magazine. Basically, I don't know why it is as good as I expected, because maybe I only loved several volume only, so most of the others were not actually interested me, because maybe it's just pretty much unnecessary, especially when this kind of hobby is only popular quite a while ago. Well, it's still basically popular, but it's getting way more segmented. Yeah, the LED ring light is often fall off because I didn't have a proper mount for it, so it is quite annoying. So of course, when this was so popular, quite variety of hobbies where there's so many playgrounds to play this kind of hobby, but right now, well, there's still few, but not in every place, especially near my house, which I sadly never experienced this arena until it finally closed down. So I bought the 3 magazine because, yeah, in order to get the free shipping from a certain e-commerce that basically try to increase their minimum spend in order to get the fully 100% of free shipping. But basically this kind of better because the other marketplace that I also often use are now separating the cashback and free shipping, so you can only use either one of them, which is pretty annoying. Maybe they're just trying to prepare for next year uncertainty of recession. I don't know, just basically just an efficiency, because there are several products that are not the way that it was expected before, because especially when many people think that the pandemic is kind of over, they try to come back into the offline style of transaction rather than online, so maybe that's the reason why this kind of online did to adjust, even though previously they already tried to adjust to add 1 cent every transaction to the buyer for conducting the payment. So the other package is also the same magazine, but of course in a different volume, and there's also 2 more other magazines that I basically need to check as well in order to fulfill the minimum payment. So the other 2 magazine is about the car magazine, so it's kind of cheap or SUV focused dedicated magazines, which when I try to look, it is basically not really interesting, because yeah, this is all old magazine. So, and if you talk about automotive magazine, it is most likely still produced right now, but I don't know whether the dedicated SUV or Jeep magazine is still produced, but it is, yeah, full of old cars for some reasons. And the ring light is full of again. So of course after this I won't try to buy another this magazine because I already found the magazine that I have been searching for, even though I still not kind of immediately look at it because I just immediately tried to combine it into a certain package because yeah, I need to tidy up several things. Well, there's actually so many things that I basically found trying to find all this time, and eventually it was found, such as the AV to USB, even though I've already used HDMI